loves, welcome back to my channel. It is Nia Jinsu, and today I'm going to be giving you guys my everyday makeup routine. This is my step-by-step, very detailed makeup routine for this look. So if you guys are interested and you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video. And without further ado, let's get into this glam. Alright guys, so I am makeup free right now. If my skin is skinning, my dermatologist put me on some new prescriptions for my face, so I'm not feeling how I'm looking right now. I'm not gonna lie to you. My skin has been acting crazy lately and I don't know what that's about, but anyways, so the first step in my routine, my everyday makeup routine, is of course primer. Right now I have on my tretinoin Cetaphil lotion from moisturization, and I'm gonna put on my primer. So I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip primer, and I just rub it in like this, and I make sure that I get it all over my face because we are doing a full beat. I like to let the primer just like marinate into my skin for like a couple of minutes, and then that's usually when I start my eyebrows. So for brows, I'm using my Benefit Precisely my brow eyebrow pencil, holy grail. I'm obsessed with this eyebrow pencil. I'm using it in the color 5, so I'm just gonna fill them in. And my brows look crazy right now because I haven't gotten them threaded in like a long time. I find that, you know, starting from the bottom of your eyebrows and then going to fill them in afterwards just helps with the process. So that's what I'm doing, and I am just filling them in like so. To really brush in that product, I'm going to be using the spoolie side, and I'm just going to brush the product in some more. Now to conceal, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Butterscotch, and I just like to apply the concealer underneath my brows. So I'm taking my e.l.f. brush that I've had since like college. So now the concealer is on, I'm going to be taking the same brush and I'm just going to blend this out a little bit. Alright, so now for foundation, I'm going to be using my NARS Light Reflecting Foundation in the color Cadiz. I don't know if I like it like that. I'm still trying to figure out if I like it. I kind of like it and I kind of don't. I don't know. I just love my NARS Sheer Glow. NARS Sheer Glow is the GOAT of all foundations. We're just gonna have to make it do what it do. So before I apply foundation, I like to shake it up. To blend it out, I'm going to be using my beauty blender. Then after I use my beauty blender, I like to go in with my Sephora foundation brush. This is the 56, and I just like to blend it in a little bit more, especially around my hairline because I do have my baby hairs there and I just want everything to be nice and blended. I use 2 concealers. So these are the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealers. I use 2 colors, one lighter, one darker, and I'm going in with the darker color, which is Caramel. I usually go in with this first, and then I go in with the lighter one. So I'm just brightening my under eyes, and I put a little bit on my chin. I don't really do a forehead highlight because I do have my ring light on right now and it is kind of giving me a little bit of a glare. This is the shade Marron Glacé, and I'm just going to put that on top, and it just blends out beautifully. in my opinion. And this is how you get your perfect concealer shade. Not too dark and not too light. I just love a bright under eye. I'm going in with my same beauty blender that I use to blend this out. And another thing I do is if you don't want to contour your nose, you could always bring your highlight closer to the bridge of your nose to give you like a more slender effect. I find that when I contour my nose, it makes my nose look humongous. So yeah, I usually just do this like highlighting trick. Alright, so now we are all blended, and I tell you guys, these concealers from NARS blend like a dream. So now it is time to bake. I'm going to be using my Mercier setting powder in translucent honey. I love Huda Beauty setting powder, but this has been like my holy grail since like forever. So I'll like go back and forth with them, but Mercier is just a little bit brighter than the Huda Beauty that I have. So what I do is I will take the top of it like so, and I'll pour the powder into it. I'm going in with my beauty blender to bake under my eyes. So I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and I'm just gonna put the powder where I basically highlighted, which was underneath my eyes and on my chin. And for that more snatched look, I'm going to basically just rub the tip of the beauty blender along my nose bridge for a more snatched look without having to contour. And I'm just gonna let that sit for like a little bit. Going in with my Real Techniques brush. This is the 402. I love Real Techniques brushes, like they're literally the GOAT. And I'm just going to take a little bit of powder and just put it like along the places where I know that I tend to get oily or greasy at. I don't want to look matte, but then again, I don't want to look like a glazed donut. So you see how that just took away that glare, like so bomb. While I'm baking, I'm going to add some dimension back to my face. So I'm going in with my Rare Beauty bronzer stick. This is the color Always Sunny, and this is how it looks. So I'm just gonna put like some here, some here. Jawline. This is my first time using this. So I'm going in with my Real Techniques contour brush. This is the 206 brush, and I'm going to blend out that bronzer. And it blends out pretty nice. I mean, I don't hate it, I don't love it either. It's just like okay. My bronzer and my contour, bronzer/contour is on. Now we are done baking, so I'm gonna go in back with my Real Techniques brush, the 402, and I'm just gonna sweep this off. And I'm taking the remaining powder, and I'm just gonna put some in on my eyelid, because you see that makeup crease? Yeah, we don't want that. So I always take a setting powder and I just like to apply it like you're applying eyeshadow, so when you look down you don't get that makeup crease. I hate seeing that. It's like so annoying. So we're getting somewhere. I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzing powder. This is the color Mahogany, and I just got it on Friday, I think, or Saturday, one of these days, I don't remember. I'm just gonna tap it like a little bit, dust off the excess, and I'm going to go in the areas where I applied that cream bronzer stick. And then what I do to really get that nice blend, I will take my other side of my beauty blender, the cleaner side, and I will just tap it in like so, just so everything could blend in like really nicely. So now to prep my eyes for my lashes, I'm going to be using my MACStack mascara. This mascara is bomb. I wear it alone when I don't wear false lashes, and it really makes your lashes like super long. This mascara is amazing. I hope that they never discontinue it because it is like truly amazing. So for lashes, I'm going to be using these lashes I got from Amazon. Amazon is really the plug when it comes to eyelashes. This is the lash up close, and it is so pretty. Alright, so lashes are on, and these lashes are so bomb. They are so beautiful. I'm obsessed with them. They look like eyelash extensions, low-key. Okay, it's giving. Now, next is blush. I'm using my holy grail, my McGrath Labs blush in the color Cherish. And I like to put my blush like going upwards. And I was never like a blush girl, but now like I'm just like really into blush these days. Tap off the excess, and I'm just gonna put it like going upwards like so. And I just tap it. I don't like sweep it across because I don't want to look like a clown. So I'll just do that, and I just love that like really flush, really like baby pink look. Lips. So I am going to be overlining my lips. I am using, of course, my MAC Chestnut lip liner, and I'm just going to be overlining my lips. I just love overlining my lips for some reason. So what I'll do after I put it on is I'll just tap it to just like blend it in a little bit more, like so. I am using the Sephora cream lip stain. This is color 32, and it's super light and it's very pigmented, so I'm just gonna put like a little bit on my lips for just like a little bit of color. I don't want to go like all crazy with it, so I take this much and I'll just put some like on the top. And I know it looks super light, but that's why we're going to put a gloss on top of it. And the gloss I'm using on top is from BUXOM Lip Plumping Gloss. This is the color White Russian. So I'll take some and just like sweep it across my lips like so, and it's so pretty. So of course, to set my makeup, I am going in with my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Super bomb. You guys know I love my MAC Fix It setting spray, but this one is also bomb as well. So I just shake it up a little bit before I spray. And we are done with my everyday makeup look, step by step. Super beginner friendly. This is like perfect glam for whatever. You could wear this to work, you could wear it to school, you could wear it out on a date, you could wear it with your girls, clubbing, whatever. I just love this kind of beat. This is like my favorite beat that I ever do, and it looks super bomb. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Okay, period. I'm ready to go, honey. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of my makeup, and I will see you guys in the next one. Also, everything that I use from the brushes to primer, it will be in the description box below so you guys can shop and try out these products. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.